Lines in 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
We begin the autonomous match, and I don't know about you guys, but I feel like everyone in the audience is going to be watching the Red Alliance this time. We've got three very high-ranked teams in the form of Black Hole, Pimble Pride, and Hastings Heroes. But we'll see how the match goes from here on the Blue Alliance. We've got two teams on the Blue Alliance parked outside the safe zone. That means extra points for them for the autonomous period. 65-08 on the Red Alliance. Hastings Heroes scoring into that speaker for the Red Alliance. We've got 8-8-14. That is Black Hole zooming across the field after picking up one of the notes to score into the speaker as well. 64-76. That's Supernova Star Squad trying to pick up some notes from the human player station for the Blue Alliance. We've got some heavy collision here in the blue wing between 65-08 on the Red Alliance and 91-89. That is Disastrous Data on the Blue Alliance. We've got some heavy defense played by them to prevent any of the red robots from passing through to get to their human player station. 47-29 on the Blue Alliance. That's Emu Robotics trying to pick up some notes for their alliance to score into that amp, along with 64-76 also on the Blue Alliance to score into that blue speaker, but unfortunately both of them miss. We've got a stalled robot out in the form of 65-08 on the Red Alliance. It seems they cannot move. We've got 65-10 ramming into the side barrier, trying to get that note outside of the inside of their robot. We've seen this a couple times here this weekend. Can they get it out so they can pick up some other notes without scoring, without getting any penalties? 88-14 trying to score for the Red Alliance and missing the speaker. 64-76 seems to be ramping up their motors to try and score that note, but unfortunately 47-29 also on the Blue Alliance bump into them and knock the trajectory of that note flying in. We've got a note flying at our MC Jack on the field here. Please do not try and hit any of the refs or our MCs today. We've got 88-14 on the Red Alliance going across the field to try and get it ready to put into the trap, it seems, as they try and climb. We've got human players throwing those notes onto those microphones. Can any of them make it? We've got one really close one made by one of our red human players. We've got a really fast climb there from 65-10, that's Pimble Pride. It seems the Blue Alliance tried to get a harmony there, but unfortunately we've got a win of 66 points versus 7. That means that team 65-10, that's Pimble Pride, move up to qualification rank 8. And 65-08, that's Hastings Heroes.